There are many computer tasks that you can perform to keep your computer optimized and up to date, running smoothly and performing well. However, I recommend that you look at some of my other videos showing you how to perform these tasks. But you can also buy all-in-one cleanup and optimization tools that do the job for you all in one. They're not a complete solution, but some of them are definitely worth thinking about and running on your computer once every few days just to keep the computer running smoothly. Now, I've tried many of these tools over the years, and the one that I settled on and used the most often is called Glary Utilities. I've previously used CCleaner, various other tune-up tools. I've settled on Glary Utilities as being the go-to tool to use, and I'm going to show you how to download it now. So first things first, down to Google, left-click once. Type in Glary Utilities. Click on enter. Left click once on Glary Utilities, and just to reiterate, this tool is completely free of charge. There is a paying version, but you don't need that unless you feel like you want to upgrade to it. You do get some extra features with it, but we're just going to go for the free tool for now. It's good enough and has a range of features. As we can see here, Glary Utilities, the latest version is version 5. It says the #1 free, powerful, all-in-one utility for cleaning your PC. Boosts your PC speed and fixes frustrating errors, crashes and freezes, such as registry fixes as well, disk reading errors. Features one-click functionality and easy automated options, over 20 tools to maximise your computer's performance. There is a one-click maintenance tool which I like to use, and I'm going to show you specifically how to use that tool. So left click once on download now. The website's safe, and I recommend you click once on download now. Once the download starts, left click on the arrow and click on open when done. Glary Utilities installer, left click once on yes. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. You can click on install here. You can actually tick this box here if you like. Install. We'll come back in a minute when this is installed. Okay, setup is now complete. We can now click on finish and it should run the Glary Utilities tool for the first time. And we can now also close down our browser. So this is the Glary Utilities tool, and what should happen is an icon should appear on your desktop. This is the icon over here, which means when you want to use the utility tool, you can just double click on the desktop icon and this will open up. So we want to just quickly set it up. We want to go to one-click maintenance here. And these are the range of tools that we get with our one-click maintenance. We get a registry cleaner, a shortcut fixer, spyware remover, disk repair, and I do recommend you get these clicked as well. Tracks eraser, temporary files cleaner, and startup manager. And what we can do is we can scan for issues. The tool will run its maintenance, and when it's finished, we'll ask if you want to repair. The tool will now scan for issues, and then we can repair afterwards. And what I normally do is click on automatically repair here. I don't bother click on shutting down the PC. This will take some time to fix. We'll come back shortly. Okay, Glary Utilities has now run the scan and it's fixed the problems that it's found on the computer here. Disk repair here is worth pointing out. There's no problems found, but if it does find problems here, you may find that next time you boot up the computer may go into disk repair mode. You may find the computer goes into disk repair mode and runs a scan before the operating system boots up, which sometimes can take an hour or so to complete. But as it happens, there are no problems found here. We've finished with the tool and we can now clicking up here. And I recommend that you run the tool once a week.